They had a little meltdown.
You missed the fight, kid.
So easy.
You can say you fucked my mother, but when you call me a rat, I'll fucking, that's it. I don't care if it's Scotty.
You're gonna sniff?
I'm sniffing.
Why?
I don't want to do drugs today, but I get nervous and I get twisted up. Oh, man. That's a 20 bag of cocaine. It's not.
You're gonna do it right now?
Yeah, I was gonna wait for you. I gotta shit. Just having it in my hand makes me shit. $20, right up the whole fucking wazoo.
Is that sheetrock dust? That ain't sheetrock dust, is it?
It's my fault, Joe. I mean, John.
Why?
Because I should have.
Checked it.
Yes. I don't care. All right, guys, here we go. He can handle it.
That's it?
Yeah, baby.